Unity is strength, a story of a lion and villagers.
A long time ago, a peaceful village sat on the edge of a dense forest. Farmers, carpenters, potters, and other artisans lived in this village. The village was small, but the people there were hardworking, honest, and very cooperative. Because of the village's peace and unity, no big trouble ever came. One day, a lion came in the forest near the village. He was old and weak in hunting. He wanted easy prey to eat. He thought,
In this village every day someone or the other comes near the forest. If I stay here, I will get food easily.
The lion made a plan and gradually started scaring the people of the village. First he targeted a woodcutter, then a farmer. Every 2 to 3 days a person disappears. The atmosphere of fear became in the village. People are now afraid to go to the forest and blame each other. Someone says,
You are not careful.
Someone said,
We had to do something first.
The feeling of unity, which was the first in village, slowly broke down. The village chief was very worried. He called the people together and said,
We now have to face this danger together. If we stay apart, then the lion will kill us one by one.
But people were scared and no one took any concrete steps. At that time, 5 brothers lived in the village: Raju, Sohan, Mohan, Arjun, and Veru. They were poor but hardworking and intelligent. They thought that if the whole village is afraid of doing something, then they will do something. He consulted his father. His father told an instructive thing. He gave a piece of wood to each of his 5 sons and said,
Break them.
All 5 of them broke the wooden stick very easily. Then the father tied 5 sticks together and said,
Now break them.
The 5 tried, but none could break them. The father smiled and said,
See, when we were separate, we broke up, but when we were together, no one could do anything. This is the power of unity.
The 5 brothers understood. He gathered all the people in the village and taught the lesson of father. Then he made a plan. He started guarding the village, trained all the people in weapons, and set traps in places where lions came near the village. One night, the lion again came to the village. He wanted to target a single man, but that man immediately whistled. Villagers came from all around with sticks, torches, and sticks. The lion was surrounded on all sides. He tried to run away but got caught in the net. The villagers caught him and released him further into the forest, where he could not become a threat to the villagers. There was peace again in the village. Now everyone is united more than before. They understood that no one can do anything alone, but if everyone works together, the biggest problem can be solved. The headman of the village said in the people,
Today, we have learned that unity is our power. If we remain divided, any enemy can defeat us easily. But when we unite, no one can break us.
Since that day, the people of the village always stand united and take any decision together. They face every crisis together, and their village becomes a role model in the whole area. This story teaches us that when we do something together, we can overcome even the most difficult situations. Be it family, society, or country. If we all stand together, no external force can defeat us.